Hi guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to hard reset your Lenovo Tab 2 A1030. Here is my tab. Okay, so let's do it. So, first thing that you must do is to power off your tab from the power button. Here is the power button. Just hit power off and again power off and hit OK. Now wait a few seconds and now you must push and hold the volume up button and the power button until you see Lenovo on your screen. Then remove the power button but keep pushing the volume up. So let's do it. Volume up and power. Now remove the power button and keep pushing the volume up. And now we have the recovery menu. Now you must select Wipe Data Factory Reset. To do that, just push the volume down button. Okay. And to confirm, press the power button. Now again, volume down. Select yes, delete all user data. And now to confirm, press the power button. Now wait a few seconds. And now to reboot system now, just press again the power button. Now put down your tab and wait until your tab will restart. Now I'm back, just select your home language. I will select English. And do the initial setup, hit the yellow arrow and then just hit next, next, next and skip. And the setup is complete. So, this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and have a nice day.